Hello dear students. In today's class we are going to solve the first question of exercise 2.1, which is using appropriate property find. In this question you have two sub questions. Out of the first sub question we are going to solve in this video. First sub question is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So here we have 5 rational numbers. Between that 5 rational number we have multiple operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Right? Whenever we get this type of the question, we have to use Bodemar's rule to solve this type of the question. So which we have learned in our primary classes, isn't it? BO means brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So whenever you get multiple operations in the same question, if there are any bracket, first you should cancel that bracket. Brackets should be cancelled first. Then out of all the operation, division should be done first. After division, multiplication. After multiplication, addition, and lastly you should do the subtraction. Here also we have multiple operation, isn't it? But there are no bracket, so we will not use this brackets off. Next, after that there is division, but there is no division symbol in the given problem. So next we'll go for the next, which is multiplication. Here we have multiplication symbol 2 times. Between these two rational number ones and between last two rational numbers we have the multiplication symbol once, isn't it? And so in the first step we are going to multiply these two rational numbers and these two rational numbers. We are going to cancel that multiplication symbol first. Later on we'll go for addition and subtraction. Minus 2 3s are minus 6 divided by 15 plus 5 by 2, we have not done anything with 5 by 2, we'll write 5 by 2 as it is, minus 3 1s are 3, 5 6 are 30. So instead of 5 rational number, after doing this multiplication, our rational numbers are reduced to 3 from 5 and the multiplication symbol has been cancelled. Now you have only two operations, that is addition and subtraction. Here in two methods after this you can solve. First is you can add the first two rational numbers and whatever answer you get, you can subtract this 3 by 30 from that one. Or else we will reduce one step. So directly we will do this addition and subtraction together. How we are going to do that? We will do it by taking the LCM of all these three rational numbers. So LCM means the denominators we are going to write here. Okay. Next we are going to multiply it from the numbers and the number should be the prime numbers. I'll take 3. 3 5s are 15. 2 will write as it is because it is not possible to divide 2 from 3. Next 3 10s are 30. Okay, next I am going to divide these three numbers from 5. 5 1s are 5. 2 can't divide, so write as it is. 5 2s are 10. You should go on dividing like this till you get 1 1 1 in the end. 2 1 1 1. So this completes our division. Okay. So the number which you have used to divide has to be multiplied. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. LCM of these three numbers is 30. Okay. So in one rational number we have already 30. But we don't have 30 in the remaining two, isn't it? So we have to multiply a suitable numbers to make this 15 as 30 and this 2 as 30. Okay. So if we multiply 2 to 15, we'll get 30. Same 2 has to be multiplied to the numerator. If you multiply 15 to 2, you'll get 30. Same 15 has to be multiplied to the numerator also. When you do multiplication to denominator, you should multiply the same number to the numerator also. You should not do it for a single number. Understood? Now here already it is 30. No need to multiply anything. Okay. So this is minus 12 divided by 30 plus, next how much this is? 75 divided by 30 minus 3 by 30. Now all the denominators are same, isn't it? So you write the same denominator only one time and the numerator numbers in the numerator. Minus 12 plus 75 minus 3. Now add and subtract to get your new numerator. Okay. Okay, when we subtract 12 from 75, we'll get 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 1, 63. Next 63 minus 3 will be 60 divided by 30. That is 30 ones are 30, 2s are 60 we can write, which is equal to 2. So after simplifying the first sub question, we got 2 as the answer. Thank you.